Welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm Andy. Peg's behind the camera there. Boo! It's Halloween coming up. Have an iron cast iron Wednesday. It's hashtag
cast iron Wednesday.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. And it's with Shovelhead 8 and Native Tears D over at Native Tears. So what we're going to make is French toast apple roll-ups. Yes, you heard me. French toast apple roll-ups.
But they're not normal.
But they're not normal. One has a pit in it. We're using dehydrated apples from our dehydrating and our orange zest into it.
That will spruce it up. So the apple you're using is equivalent. If you don't have dehydrated, they would use what?
You would use 2 apples.
Okay. Just diced finely.
Just finely chopped. Finely chopped up. I'm going to test this one.
We have ours sitting in hot water from the kettle so that they rehydrate.
They're good.
I know. Now we drain them and carry on like they were fresh.
That's right.
Just another way to use up those dehydrated goodies, guys.
That's right.
Oops, over the sink would be working.
Well, tell me what to do.
There we go.
There. Okay, so we've got our apple here. Next, we will...
So now we proceed like it was fresh.
That's right.
Okay.
That's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this into the... turn this on first. I can never... Okay, let's do this one here. Yes, that's it. That's my baby. Right there. I put this on low heat.
Pour the 2 apples chopped in.
Yep. They're already chopped in. I'm amazing, by the way. Now we need cinnamon. Oh, Suki, okay? Oh.
No, it's not a cat.
We need a half tablespoon.
Teaspoon?
Sorry, of cinnamon. We'll put that in there. There we go. I used half of that, by the way. And I'm going to put a little zesty in there.
About the same amount that you would use of cinnamon?
Yep, just like that. It's about half.
Yep.
There.
Trying to get around your hand.
Oh, that's not the top of that. Or that? Oh, there it is. Okay, there we go. And we cook this for 3 minutes on a low heat.
It smells so good. I put a splash of that in there.
Yeah.
Lemon.
Lemon?
Yep. Just a little one.
There, that's good enough. Boy, you can smell the cinnamon. Wow.
And bring you back.
We'll bring you back as soon as this is ready. Okay, now we're shutting this off. This is done. I'm just setting that aside.
Smells good.
Look at that, eh?
I know.
See how that is? And this is dehydrated apples.
Not no more.
Not anymore. Now I'm using 1/3 of a cup of sugar. I'm putting in a pie plate here because I like it flat. There. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon.
Tablespoon or teaspoon?
Teaspoon.
You never get those right.
I know. I never will. Okay, so I need another fork here. No forking around. Okay, we'll stir this all up. See how nice it looks like? This looks like a sandbox.
Jeez, please.
Where's that cat? Oops. Okay. A little bit more there. Wow, 1 teaspoon goes a long way. Okay, next we're gonna do, now that's done. Now, I've already done one bread. So we're gonna do another one here.
Your pastry,
My
if
pastry,
you will,
yes.
for your French toast.
Cut those off.
Cutting the crusts
The
off.
kids will love that because they hate crusts anyway.
Save them for the chickens.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, ripped that one.
I thought you cut yourself.
No,
Oh, that's a sharp knife.
it is. There we go. I'll fix that up in a minute. Get rid of these here. There, and then we're going to roll these out as flat as we can. Pretty flat. I did that one. And that
Look
one.
at you move with that rolling
I know.
pin. Like you're a master at it.
I am. I even made this.
You did.
If you want one for $9.99, tell me and I'll cut a piece of dowling for you.
$9.99.
$9.99.
Those are pandemic prices.
Not only good for this, but if somebody gets on your nerves, you can whack them. So it's a two, you know, it's
A
multi-purpose.
twofer.
Okay, so now what I've got is I've got some, I was going to say shortening.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese, I mean, here. Yes. So I'm going to take some cream cheese,
Softened.
softened, ever so lightly, and then just rub it on here like this.
Hand again.
Oh, sorry. Like that. We'll put that one there.
Don't you butter the whole slice?
Nope. I don't know. We'll soon see as I get it out.
Try one buttered the whole thing.
Yeah. Okay, well, we'll see how that goes.
So he does them both anyway.
Well, what the heck. If it makes sense, right? If it makes sense, just do it. Because it's got to stick together.
Oh, these are going to be good. You know, it's handy to use the dehydrated foods because you have company stop in, like we do jams a lot, and in the wintertime, if the weather's bad, they're going to stay. So if we don't have fresh fruit in the house, we're limited to breakfast, but not now.
Nope, not now. Okay, so now I'll get this out of the way, and I'll bring my handy trusty thing over here.
Thing over
Cast
there.
iron
Do
skillet.
you want a spoon?
Yeah, probably be better than the man tool.
He's giving up a man tool
But
for
this
a
is
spoon.
a spoon. This is a
It'll be the
spoon.
whisk next, guys.
No, it won't. There we go. See, and then what we'll do, then we have to have a man tool again to help correct these impossible situations. And then we roll it.
Hand. Trying to
Right.
get around you.
And that,
Sorry, guys, you didn't see a thing.
come up with the camera.
No, I want to see your
I
hands.
gotta do that. See? Your mat holds it together.
Perfect. That's perfect.
Okay. Can you see that?
Yes, that's better. And the cream cheese holds it
Cream
in
cheese
place.
holds it in place.
Awesome.
Okay, one more. In case you didn't get it right the first time, guys, here we go again. Okay. Oop,
And will these be featured in Andy's restaurant?
they will be.
As a brunch?
As a snack with your coffee. Okay, now we're coming over here. Whoa. I forgot the milk. Be right back. Okay. A little bit of milk in there. Do whatever you want, you know. I guess I better get the frying pan. Now I'm going to heat my frying pan up.
That butter just flew through the air right to your hands.
It's amazing, isn't it? This is good sometimes. Just drives me. Oh.
Get it off the clicker.
Yeah,
There you go.
Okay, so so now I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons in of pâté. That should do her. Now, while we're waiting for that to melt, see how evenly mixed that goes with the man tool? You wouldn't get that with that wisp thing. Makes me sound like I got a
It's a whisk.
speech impediment.
No, it's whisk.
It's not a whisk. No, it's not. It's a whip.
Not whisk, whisk.
It's a spoon. It's a fork. So see how easy that is? I'm up here, by the way. There we go.
Jesus.
Alrighty, so now the butter's in the pan. It's all heated up. Now we dip this in the egg. Just like that.
And into
There.
the pan.
And then we put that into the pan. And another one in here. Get it coated good. One more.
Nice sizzle. You can't hear it, can you?
Can't hear it, no.
That's sad, eh?
There we
you go.
I heard that. I heard that. Remember, a medium heat is the best. A low heat. Hello heat.
Just browning them on all the
Just
sides.
browning it, yep. You don't want to, cook it too much. You just want to brown them. Like you would French toast. See, there's one browning already. Okay, I think these are done. So I'm going to shut this off.
They look beautiful.
And now, what we'll do, take that, just drop that in there. Just spread that all over. Roll it around in it.
Nice coating of cinnamon
Yep.
sugar.
Beautiful.
Oh, morning guests would love these for breakfast.
Oh, yeah.
Brunch.
And we'll put that in here. Hot!
And repeat.
And repeat the process
Until everyone's fed.
till you got 4,000 of them, and you don't have to keep going after. Okay, this one's done there. Beautiful. Hot. Oh,
You could fancy it up with a little dollop of whipped cream on the top if you wanted.
I think we will.
We'll plate this up, bring it back.
Okay, here we go. And then now I'm going to put some icing sugar on it.
Ooh, yes.
Move this out of the way.
Oh, that makes it. Way to go. See, this is where it comes in handy to have the Andy cap.
There, the shaking, perfect. On it. There we go. Holy jeez. Look at that. That thing whipped around there pretty good. There we go. So tell me, what do you think of that?
What's in that dish?
That's honey.
Local honey.
Local honey from Tweed. Tweed the ghost. He brought it down on his blueberry walk.
You'll only understand if you watched his other video.
That's right. So I'm going to taste this. You want to taste it first, Peg?
Nope. You go ahead.
Okay, so here we go. It's nice and warm.
Dunk it in the
Dunk it
honey.
in there.
You can use syrup.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
You know, you're
Really
going to be
good.
sorry you made these because now the kids, when they visit, are going to want them.
They will.
Uh-huh.
The grandkids will love this. Oh, my God. These are so good.
Pretty good for dehydrated apple, right? Another way to use your dehydrated foods and cooked in the cast iron, you can't go wrong.
That's right. And dehydrated. Yep. Apples and orange slices.
Orange rind.
Zest, right?
Yep.
So what do you think? I think this is a winner for Andy's restaurant recipe book.
I do too.
Take a bite of that.
Good
Huh?
job, baby.
Dip it in honey. You didn't dip it in honey.
Oh no, I want to
That's
taste
good, isn't
the
it?
apple.
Isn't that good? The apples are
Perfect.
great.
You can't tell.
No, I know. Beautiful.
I'm so glad we did 24 trays.
Yeah. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget the notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. That way you'll get our videos all the time.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us.
And see you tomorrow.
My God, these are good. Oh.
That apple's gonna come in handy this winter.
Oh. Delicious.
Good.